Some kind of word like that, what can we say for teh tarik? So next time jangan say poultry lagi, poti ya. What is the business of teh tarik?
Okay guys, what's up? We here in the room, same time. Like what? We will to introduce myself in ourselves. Maybe how about this? I'm loading. Wait. Okay. The first, who is the introduce?
Our leader.
Our leader. Okay, we have a leader here. Mister. Okay, Mister. Come on. Time and place for you.
Yes, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alito Adi, and I'm originally from Bumiayu, Brebes.
Like Mr. Mr. Evan is brother.
Bus.
And for now, I stay in Jatiburi, Bekasi. I have been working for Cambodia Plus since 2023. So it means that I did 2 years working in Cambodia Plus. And before this, we had Mr. Ocho, right?
Yeah.
The first program it was with Mr. Ocho. Okay. And then I have my family, and my daughter is 4 years old, Ipin. And then I used to be a teacher. I used to teach in the classes, but since my CEO, my CEO.
From China.
From
Unfortunately, there is this one here.
let's say promote me to be the leader of Campus Plus, and then for now
Alhamdulillah. Waalaikumsalam.
Maybe after
Okay.
introduce yourself.
Come
There's
on.
some question
Sorry.
from the other maybe.
Oh.
In its introduction. Mr. Soleh,
We finish first or
meet Mr. Jan.
Mr. Jaman?
jangan?
Yes, Terjan.
Okay, maybe there
Maybe,
are
just
questions.
finish first after that.
The next, who is the introduce?
Introduce.
Introduce
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah. Mr. Jan.
Oh, Mr. Jan. Okay, Mr. Jan.
So my name is Aqib Jan. You can call me Jan or Aqib.
Okay.
And I'm from Pakistan originally, but I'm a student here in Depok in University of Islam International Indonesia. I'm master student in Islamic Studies, and I have done my bachelor also in Islamic Studies from Pakistan. I'm 27 years old, and I don't have family. I'm engaged, but I will get married soon inshallah after going back from here.
Oh my God, my sister. Oh, no. No. I have a sister, Yongs.
Also, you have already had clients.
Okay,
Yeah, I have fiancé.
that's right.
Yes, I have fiancé, but not married yet.
From Pakistan itu,
Yes, she's from
Pakistani girl is very pretty.
Okay, this is my blacklist.
Indonesian girl is very pretty, very sweet ya. Okay. Next, finish.
Next finish. Okay, now Miss Mula.
The one who has
Itu just lagi nih. From Sandy. Just like from bedroom.
My name is Muhammad Saleh.
Eyebrow-nya nggak usah naik-naik, eyebrow-nya naik.
You all call me Saleh.
Saleh itu aja.
Saleh, not Sol.
Soleh with S and H.
No, beda.
No Sol. Nah, Saleh. Dua ini.
Pasek. Why?
I have son, 4 son and 4 daughters.
I prefer for wives.
My wife only one.
Masya Allah.
Masya
Do you
Allah.
need to?
What?
Do you need to?
Maybe.
Be careful, Miss.
Oke. Yang sorry guys. Ganti. Disensor. Oke guys, no hear it, oke? No hear it.
I live in Bekasi, Cikunir. Teacher,
I'm a teacher.
pastor.
Oh, teacher pastor. Oh,
Ya,
house atau kompleks?
ya, sampai.
How old are you? How old are you?
Only 1
Year
year I paripurna. Hah?
Retire. Pensiun. Retire.
Ada.
Iya. How about your hobby, your favorite food?
Favorite food.
What do you do in your free
Padang
time?
food.
Habis besok.
Padang is good. Ya, color food is blue.
Wow, colorful.
What is the food that colorful?
Favorite color.
I'm thinking, what is blue in the food? Blue food.
Blue food is ini.
Blue food flavor.
Blue putan.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Next. Yes.
No, I still jet lag. Is there any?
Sister,
Better. That's the
see,
leader.
ChatGPT. Yeah,
Yeah, better. Finish it.
Friendly.
Okay, my name is Henry.
Oh, I was. I was the first.
Henry. And I'm a teacher in Darussalam Islamic School, and I teach my lesson in Darussalam. I teach in Islamic studies or Islamic studies, and this is the second time we what is the we have our agenda with Kaikai team, and I'm originally from Solo City.
Solo.
Yes.
Solo and Brebes is new.
No.
Far.
Wow.
Brebes is Java.
Java.
Central Java.
Solo,
Central
Yeah.
Java, but they are for
Yeah.
You're from Jogja.
Yeah.
So
I'm single.
yes.
Single.
single and then
Still okay.
sister, maybe you have a daughter, sister. For Mr. Henry, yeah.
She's married.
And
Yeah, for Henry.
like in Tambun.
Best.
Makasih sama dikit.
Oh,
Jangan gitu dong.
Bad luck. 12.
but the full name is BSD.
Yes.
Kasih sama dikit.
Nah,
Kasih semua dikit. SD.
I think enough. Maybe Miss Firi.
Any question for him, please? How many brother and sister do you have?
Do you need a girl now?
One by one.
I have
Yes, the
one
question.
brother,
Yeah.
and she was working in Kelapa Gading.
And no sister.
No sister.
West Jakarta.
West Jakarta.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam.
Next, sir.
Okay, come on, join. Come on, Mr. Steve. Come
Mr.
on.
Mata lah.
I was.
I
I finished.
Finish the first.
The first.
And the last Miss Vini or
Ah, Miss
It's finished.
Miss Indonesian.
itu kan sistem
Yeah.
My name is Vini. Full name. Vini. I'm from West Sumatra.
Padang Oslo.
No. I'm Bukit Tinggi.
Western. You are Western.
Bukit Tinggi di Bukit Rendah.
Yes. I have one daughter. She is class 5. Grade 5. I'm master psikologi. I live in Bekasi Perumnas.
Masya Allah.
husband.
Yes.
How come she has daughter? No,
I have husband now.
How many husbands do you have?
One.
Ah, yes.
Still posting in
Okay, don't hurt it, okay?
I have one husband. I have no brother and no sister.
Oh.
I'm only the only
one.
Singular.
Uh, can I asking to you, Miss Vini?
Yes.
Okay, one question, just one question for you.
Panjang.
Are your husband now English?
No.
No? Okay, baik. This is good. Okay, finish. I understand.
Yes. No.
Good.
Consistent.
Masya Allah.
Putih ya? Oke, teh tarik putih. Juga
Oke, putih.
Teh tarik.
Sore, what is your favorite food?
This is the Padang.
Padang is good.
Oh, last night, no.
Mau dibully.
Fried tahu goreng.
No.
But student
Di smell.
they listen, you say no.
Enggak. No.
Only in front of us.
Oh,
Just make a joke.
Like that, only.
Next again, who is?
My name is Yesulat Sugirahayu and call me Bulan. I'm a teacher in Bahasa Indonesia. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. The eldest is 24. Second is 21. And the next is 12. Okay, my hobby is watching Dracula.
Here, we have CEO from China.
Yeah.
You like to watch drama in Brazil, and there are so many CEO there. Now, she meets the real CEO.
I have a purpose from watching Dracula. I want to learn the language.
Korean language.
No,
Korean,
China.
just a little, right? A little. I was have a Mandarin course, and I have a grade A, and now I forgot about it. I have a grade A. and
What
then I
China
was-
sentence that you know?
I forget about it. It's a long time ago. It's 10 years ago. I still teach in. I have teaching for 30 years, 5 years at the high school, SMA 89 school, and second I teach at SMK, and then I terdampak di sini. It's not this. I come back to Darussalam. When I get to college, I was in Darussalam. I teach drama. I have a friend in Darussalam SMP. When SMP has only nine students. nervous when the still at the ups of the musala. You forget that.
Yeah.
Can you still like him
Oh yeah.
and sing in
Yeah.
now you are this.
Yeah.
Yeah, my hobby is my food as long as halal.
Okay.
Halal.
On.
Yeah, my color is my color is army.
Colorful.
My color is army. I'm black, but I wear any color. Okay.
Okay.
Mau gitu aja kok.
Yeah. You know already got me.
Can finish public or
You shouldn't trend it.
Mister. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so we can continue. So what's the schedule after this? Like, don't say, I will teach you, no, you're a teacher.
Share for teacher.
Maybe your knowledge is higher than me. I just want to share something, especially about English. I don't want to teach you grammar, I don't want to teach you, let's say, how to write sentences in English now. I just want to share about pronunciation. Okay. Especially it's hard for Indonesian people to have, let's say, American or British accent. It needs more time to learn how to speak in English like American people or British people. Yeah, but actually in the world, we have many accents, right? We have Indian accent, Pakistani accent, as well as Korean. And then, why Indonesian people say that I want to talk with American accent, I want to talk with British accent. But actually, we can also have Indonesian accent actually. Yeah, but the problem is maybe because not many Indonesian people speak in English, so Indonesian accent is not really popular in the world. So Indonesian people, prefer to learn British or American. But if we compare American and British, American is easier. And then I'm going to try to give you some tips here how to improve our English based on pronunciation. The first thing that we need to fix is pronunciation. It's not grammar. It's not grammar. It's not writing. It's not pronunciation. Pronunciation is the best one. It's like when we were a kid, we don't know grammar, right? We don't know grammar. We just listen actually. But how to learn pronunciation? So we learn pronunciation by listening. And the second one, we study by ourselves. So now, there are many applications we can use to learn and to fix our pronunciation. I have a question. Let's say, do you still remember when you were in elementary school? Even kindergarten, your teacher asked you to say this sentence. Budi, tolong baca kalimat ini. Papan tulis. Ibu membeli anggur, jeruk, apel di pasar. Ibu membeli jeruk, anggur, apel di pasar. Okay, as you remember, the way we pronounce the words in Indonesian, and our Indonesian is like the thing that I told before. Ibu saya membeli jeruk, jeruk, anggur dan apel. Okay, and then we follow the intonation in English. Like in use Indonesian intonations like ibu saya membeli apel, and then you say in English, my mother bought apple. What? My mother bought. It's like in the past.
Oh, second of line.
My mother bought apple, orange. Yeah. My mother bought apple, grapes, orange. So the intonation is like that. Yeah. And then it happens all the time. Especially when our teacher gives the same lesson. It will be hard for the students to improve their pronunciation. And the problem is in pronunciation. So what happens is pronunciation. Yeah, Indonesian pronunciation and English pronunciation is different. Okay, I have. We don't have a whiteboard here. Whiteboard.
I got deep in English. That's why I'm not good in pronunciation. When I was college, got D itu sudah berapa? Oh nanti C for English. Ya English.
Oh, maybe we can join by Google Meet.
There's no whiteboard here?
No whiteboard. So we can use Zoom. Just for sharing this.
Okay, Ini, you can ask Alexa how can when you are studying. He always sleep everywhere. Call Pelor, nempel motor. Dengar itu, like my husband, whenever he goes, he always sleep. Senang. Ini lebih senang itu. Oh, senang pernapasan gitu ya? Iya. Saya tahu Taichan, Pak. Taichan. Nggak ada, saya lihat cuma yang di dalam.
Dan Taichan
Khusus kasih. Belum ya?
I look Titan.
Maybe Luciano can share.
ya.
Oke.
Is it rolling?
I have a British teacher. I was a British teacher. And when we say color, we connect color. The red, we have to make our mouth like her. Right. We have to say no.
Yeah, okay. Let's continue. And I think, and I'm sure it will be very useful for English learners. I have some words here. And I don't have okay. Sorry. Yes, okay, so we have four words. The first Okay, my question, before I continue to give you pronunciation lesson, okay, Miss Vinny. Yeah, Miss Vinny, how to say the first word? How to pronounce the first word?
Small.
Okay, and then Miss Wulan, how to pronounce the second word? Okay, and then Mr. Soleh.
This one. Maybe Mr. Solid doesn't have to.
No.
Yang gitu.
Number 3.
Three.
The three.
Yeah.
How do you pronounce?
How do you
How do
pronounce
you
it?
pronounce the word number three?
Say the word. Ya, ini di grup di Bapak baca dulu saya cari. The third word Mr. Soleh, what do you pronounce?
Oh,
Ya, diucapkan.
small. Nomor 3.
Excuse me, maybe when you talking about this word, I hope you make this.
Gimana mau dibaca?
Yes.
Diarsipkan. Oh my god. Si Bapak gimana mau baca diarsipkan? Not you. Not you.
Yes. This is number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Ya Allah, Bapak banyak banget.
Yeah, expensive.
Okay. Thank you. And then Mr. Hatta, number 4. Yeah, I don't want to ask Mr. Shelby and Miss.
Intelligent.
Number 4.
Okay, great.
Bapak banyak banget yang diarsipkan, Pak. What did cyclone?
Speaker ya?
Yes, with speaker. Better with this. Number 4, intelligent.
Okay, great. Now,
13, Bapak.
okay, now let's talk about number 1. Okay, how many syllables do you have in the word number 1? Syllable.
Syllable. Syllable itu suku kata.
Yeah, how many syllables do you have?
How do you say syllable? Itu Bapak
No,
nggak bisa
syllable.
baca. Syllable. Syllable.
Yeah, syllable. And you will know, okay, how sometimes, okay, we make a mistake.
I always say syllable. Kalau ada WA.
Syllable.
Syllable.
Yeah, syllable.
Syllable.
Yeah, syllable.
Syllable. In number 1, it is 1 syllable.
1 syllable, that's right. Number 1 is 1 syllable. And number 2, 2. Number 3, 3. And number 4, 4. Yes, okay. And then, now remember the rules in English. English is a stressed language.
Trust.
Stressed.
Trust.
Yes, trust.
Trust.
No, stressed. Okay, alright.
Stress.
Yes, trust.
Stress. Trust.
You make me stress.
Yeah, it's from the word stress.
Oh,
yeah.
stress.
It's from the word stress with
It means the
ED,
stress is menekan.
Yeah, stress means menekan is a verb, and then stress ditekan is in passive.
Stress, iya.
Yes, stress language. It's not stress language is not bahasa yang stress, no. I mean bahasa yang ditekan.
Need to stress.
Yeah, so we need to stress. What do we need to stress?
You need to stress when you are talking.
The syllable. Yeah, the syllable. The first one is the syllable. Yeah, and then the next one is the content words. Yeah, syllable and content words. Yeah, it's like the way we pronounce the words in Sundanese and Japanese. They're different, right?
Yeah.
Kumaha dam. So later you know why Cinta Lola say I want to eat sodo.
Yeah.
Sodo. It's not soto, but
Sodo.
yeah, you will know.
She said Kerala.
And later I mean, and for the next year you can learn by yourself. Okay. Stress. Okay, stress language. And then we have stressed syllable.
Stress apa kan? Stress.
Okay, stress syllable. Stress syllable means suku kata yang ditekan. Okay, now remember the rules. If we have only 1 syllable, kalau hanya ada 1 suku kata, we stress ya directly, langsung di stress.
Small.
Ya kayak misalkan ya small, saya langsung bilang small, small, okay. You don't say small. No.
Saya kurang semol.
Oh, yeah.
Semol
Java
kemarin.
language.
My bad. I'm fine. Semol lah.
Okay.
Miss Wiji and Miss Jenny.
Semol.
Titik-titik.
It's a challenge for you to teach Japanese people. Our friend from Japanese,
Yeah, okay.
it's your challenge.
Yeah, it's comfortable. I'm Japanese person, right?
But you don't know, you don't have accent of Japanese.
I'm Japanese too.
Yeah,
I'm
sometimes.
No accent.
Sometimes.
Jogja.
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes people know that I'm Japanese. Nanti.
Nanti.
Okay, it's like when we follow Sudanese accent. Okay,
Oh, you want to teach Mr. Thank you very much, Mr. John. Invite me to Pakistan ya one day.
Oh, wait, Umroh.
Umroh.
Plus Pakistan.
Ada ya?
Ada. Kepengen kita bikin
Terus-
CEO umroh deh.
Turunnya dijorokin.
Ini jadi CEO semua ini di sini.
Ke Pakistan dulu Pak.
This is CEO of basketball.
If we follow the accent of our local language, yeah, it will be awkward to listen.
Awkward is canggung.
Yeah, awkward.
Aneh.
Aneh.
Awkward.
Maybe Mister, you can also translate a difficult one because
Oke, ya, awkward
us
ya.
maybe don't
Aneh.
know.
Kalau kita ngikutin aksen ya lokal masa ya aneh. Ini teh apa? What is this? Ya.
Iya. Sunda.
No,
Sunda.
This is
and also Mister, tries to do word that
No.
is not used every day. Like tadi kan language.
Oh iya iya.
Sambil ngomong awkward ini ya. Gitu.
Oh, okay. Just try syllable, okay? So when you have only one syllable, yeah, remember, yeah, you stress the word. Fat, yeah, big. Yeah, when you say besar bukan big.
Short. Big.
Big. It's big. Yeah, it's big. Kayak ditekan gitu. Big.
Big. Big.
Small.
Small.
Nggak ada bedanya big. Nanti misunderstanding.
Yeah. And then the second one, okay, you have two syllable, right? Yeah, what is the second word?
Handsome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, yeah.
Not you.
Not you.
Oh,
It's my husband.
Thank you.
Not you.
yeah.
Not you, but my husband.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we have two syllables. Yeah, we have two syllables. Okay, it means we have two options.
Which one is
Yeah, which one? Yeah, is trust.
Yeah.
Okay, but remember only one is correct. Ada dua suku kata nih, hand sama some. Tapi hanya satu yang benar. Tapi ada dua opsi ya. Apakah ditekan yang pertama atau yang kedua? Oke, I give you the clues. Okay, if I stress the first syllable, yeah, you will have handsome. Handnya yang tinggi ditekan, di stress itu maksudnya lebih keras, lebih tinggi. Hand, semnya biasa aja. Handsome. Handsome. Okay, and then if you stress the second one, kalau stress yang suku kata yang kedua, jadi hand yang biasa, semnya ditekan.
Biasa aja.
Handsome. Yeah, handsome. Okay, they are different, right? The first one, handsome. The second one, handsome. Ada dua opsi. But my question is, which one is correct? Yeah, which one is correct?
the first
The
one?
same mean.
The same ya. Same meaning.
Sama artinya.
Same meaning.
Same meaning.
Same meaning. Yeah,
Even
same
the
meaning.
stress is different, same meaning.
Cuma beda penekanannya. Gitu.
But the most used is I think the first syllable that is less. Mostly.
Yeah, okay. Now we are talking about mostly, ya. Kita ngomongin tentang mostly. How do you know it? Because you listen. That's right. Jadi bahasa Inggris itu bahasa itu terbentuk dari mendengarkan dan langsung berbicara. Grammar itu belakangan.
Mengikuti gitu.
Ya, makanya anak kecil, okay, Yeah, they don't learn grammar. Yeah, they don't learn how to write. But they just listen, right? Listen and say, and then they can do it. Mendengarkan dan bicara dan mereka bisa. Ya, bahasanya kan seperti itu. Makanya kalau ada saya bisa bahasa Inggris tapi kalau ngomong kalau ngomong agak susah. Ya, that's the point. So we have to, right? Yeah, we call the skills as an active skills. Active skills. Jadi ada passive skills, ada active skills. Nah, active skills tadi listening. Ada sebenarnya beda ya ketika kita bilang itu bisa beda pemahaman. Aktif justru malah speaking dan writing. Jadi kalau pasif listening and read. Oke. Nah, yang benar yang mana gitu kan? Nah, poinnya adalah kalau kita sering mendengarkan dan mendengarkannya adalah orang-orang yang memang benar pengucapannya, pasti kita akan ikutin. But the case and the problem is, if we listen to some people who don't really good at pronunciation, it will be a problem. Ya, jadi akan terbawa terus, gitu kan. Nah, sering terdengarnya yang pertama ya, handsome. Nah, terus gimana cara ngeceknya? Kalau
Google
kita,
Translate.
nah bisa Google Translate atau aplikasi yang lainnya. Kalau kita punya kenalan bule, tanya bule boleh. Gitu. Tapi kan kita nggak mungkin. Kayak it's impossible to call our friend, our native teacher all the time, right?
We don't have any friend also native.
That's right. Nah, cara ngeceknya adalah kita gunakan kamus yang paling gampang sekarang. Kita nggak usah nanya orang gitu kan, tapi nanyanya kamus, or we can ask AI juga bisa. Okay. Nah, I suggest you, if you want to learn more about English, especially American and British, you don't use Google Translate. Ya, kalau pengen mengetahui lebih nih tentang American sama British accent, jangan pakai Google Translate. Google Translate dipakai tapi hanya untuk menerjemahkan.
Not for speaking pronunciation.
Sebenarnya sama aja, bisa gitu kan. Tapi saya kasih kamus aja ya.
What do you want, Mister? I have permission ya.
Oke.
Panggilan ada nature calls.
Nature calling.
Nature calls.
British tuh, kalau British yang mendayu-dayu ya, Sir? Apa yang?
Ya, sebenarnya British itu kayak aksen Tegal ya sebenarnya. Aksen Tegal kan
Formal, I think.
ya, aksen Tegal itu medok tapi ada mendayu-dayunya.
Iya, mendayu-dayu.
Gitu.
Nginyong.
Yes, okay. Nah, ya saya nggak ngajarin grammar dan sebagainya, tapi cukup pronunciation nanti bisa latih di rumah. 1 tahun lagi insya Allah ketemu lagi udah beda.
There's no full thing for the next year ya. Bahasa yang lain. Not full thing. Yang lain. Not itu dong develop.
Setahun baru progresnya gitu. Okay, so we have Cambridge Dictionary ya, Cambridge Online Dictionary. Nah, emang ini kayak kamus bahasa Indonesianya gitu.
I have it when we
KBBI gitu ya.
on college. Cambridge Dictionary, the small one, English.
Oh, ya English
I
ya.
download to my laptop actually. The yellow and the green one also. Have you?
Yellow.
Itu pronounce-nya bagus juga. British and
British and
American.
American, ya.
Di download di laptop ada di sana.
Yeah, we have many dictionaries.
Yeah.
That we can download. Okay, and then nah cara ngeceknya, ya benar ya, that's correct. Yeah, that the first syllable is stressed. Jadi yang ditekan pertama handsome. Tapi kan kita harus make sure. Kalau misalkan kita nemuin kata di luar gitu kan, let's say you are walking and then you see a word in English, itu ngucapinnya apa ya? Okay, it's hard for you to guess how to pronounce it. Jadi kalau ngira-ngira kayaknya ngucapinnya kayak gini, ya nggak bisa gitu. Okay, you will do it later after you are familiar with English pronunciation. Kalau nantinya udah familiar dengan pengucapan yang benar, nebak pun taruhlah 80% itu benar kemungkinan pengucapan. Tapi kalau awal-awal jangan ngira-ngira gitu. Itu bahaya gitu. Bahayanya apa? Nanti malah salah gitu. Oke. Jadi kita tes di sini, kemudian what is this? Ya, this one. Nah ini ya seperti yang tadi Miss Yati bilang, it's
Yeah.
linguistic ya.
Yeah. I have this one also.
Ya, this one.
Sometimes I check also when I
Okay.
after teaching.
Eh,
Is it my pronunciation is correct?
Yeah.
And then if I got wrong, I will tell to the student, sorry.
yeah, it's no problem. Okay, it's better.
It's okay. Because it is not our matter.
Probably, no matter what. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, I do it. Oke, this one. Ini katanya, penulisannya. Ini jenis katanya, adjective, kata sifat. And this one, US. Ya, jadi United States, American accent.
Yeah.
And then this one, UK, British accent. Nah, and then you have this. Okay, it's like symbols. Ada simbol-simbol ya. Nah, simbol-simbol ini dinamakan phonetic alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. You have some symbols who are the same as International Alphabet. Ada yang simbolnya itu sama seperti alfabet, ya, like this H, M, ya, S, M. But you will have some which are very different. Ada yang beda tuh, ada gabungan kayak A sama E, gitu kan? Ada E kebalik, gitu kan?
E kebalik.
Ya, mungkin
Phonetic ya.
ketika belum tahu kan kayak dulu pas lagi musim-musimnya BB ya, BB ya.
Studies.
Digabung-gabung itu kan musiknya
Phonetic.
gitu. It's phonetic. Nah, phonetic itu apa? Phonetic adalah tulisan yang disuarakan.
Like in itu.
Ya, tulisan yang disuarakan.
Ini apa? Makharijul huruf ya.
Ya, makhluk dulu.
Oke. Jadi setiap simbol itu merepresentasikan suara. Yuk. Nah, okay, for example, upside down E, ya, E yang kebalik, ya itu merepresentasikan suara E. It's like in Sundanese. Ya,
This is the
pastor.
lesson that I failed when I was
Oh, yeah.
college. Always get C, so difficult.
Ya, sebenarnya karena mungkin nggak dari awal ya, jadi ada ini. Tapi sebenarnya bisa dipelajari dengan cepat sih. Ini huruf E kebalik itu E. It's like in Sundanese tulisannya apa ya? U ya. Pasteur. Tapi bacanya E, right? Yeah, so we have E. And then this one, nah ini yang A sama E, itu emang gabungan, emang seperti gabungan suara A dan suara E. Nah, jadi ada nanti apa sih kita bisa bilang posisi bibir gitu kan?
Some like it.
Ya, like this one. Jadi kita ngucapinnya, so our jaw drops.
Iya, sampai temanku yang cadar harus buka cadarnya because the lecturer want to see how they
Bener atau?
pronounce. Iya, buka cadar.
Ya,
Because phonetic.
who's speaker? Ya. Jadi ini ngucapinnya A-nya itu gabung kayak E, terus rahanya ke bawah. A.
Tapi kalau Bu Rika yang belajar cepat ini ya.
Jadi handsome. Jadi bukan.
Iya kan?
So when you say kalau ngucapin beda ngucap jadi handsome. Jadi handsome. Ini beda kan?
Iya,
Tapi
kan
ini ke bawah.
Handsome.
That's right. Terus lebih panjang. Hand. Handsome. Handsome. Ya kan? Nah, ini sudah
Handsome dah.
Handsome.
Oke, now let's compare. Next, sekarang bandingkan. Sebelum kita mengetahui mana yang pengucapan benarnya dengan yang sebelumnya, pasti akan beda rasanya. Jadi kalau kita mengucapinya benar, rasa, kok bahasa Inggris saya keren ya? Kok kedengarannya seperti orang lain? Handsome. Nah, gitu. Ya, kalau digabungin nanti Ada kayak I am. Nah ini singkat aja. Jadi I sama am itu bisa diucapkan dengan 3 cara. Dipisah. I am. Ini sangat basic ya. I am. Jadi diucapinya satu kata. I am handsome. Itu satu kata. Yang kedua itu digabung. I sama am digabung I am. I am.
Dan
Jadi ayam itu
sudah
benar.
saya ayam. Ayam means ayam.
Ayam.
I am nah ayam.
Ayam.
Bisa.
And the third one, the third one is we use construction. Disingkat. I'm. Nah, mulai sekarang kan biasa ada yang masih I am. Gunakan singkatannya. I'm.
Okay.
Apa tuh?
I'm a student.
I'm fine.
Nah, terus kalau digabungin, misalkan saya ganteng.
I'm handsome.
I'm beautiful.
Nanti akan ada
Like.
I am atau disingkat aja I'm handsome.
I'm handsome.
Ya, jadi
Handsome.
itunya tetap ya. Handsome-nya tetap tadi cara pengucapan. Jadi I'm handsome. I'm handsome. Ya, I'm handsome. Nah, terus tadi gimana cara kita tahu oh ini yang benar ditekan yang pertama gitu kan, yang benar yang mana? Taunya dari ini nih. Oke.
I can click.
This one, the accent, apostrophe, tanda petik. Nah, ini, jadi ini kan ada pembenggalan ya. Ini suku kata pertama, ini suku kata kedua. Nah, yang ada tanda
You block
ininya,
it ya.
ya.
You block and you post the gambar apa itu? Kolom.
Iya, gitu. Nah, di sini, ini ya. Ya, jadi yang ada tanda petiknya, ini yang ditekan. Jadi ini yang
Stressnya di situ ya.
ya, jadi kalau ngeceknya di situ. Nah, kalau udah tahu simbol ini, bahkan kita nggak mendengarkan tahu ucapannya seperti apa. Itu namanya international phonetic alphabet. Jadi ya simbol-simbol yang merepresentasikan suara. Jadi ketika kita baca, mungkin pas waktu kecil ya mungkin nggak ngeh mungkin. Jadi ada kamus, terus di sampingnya ada kayak gini ya. Sebenarnya ini cara bacanya.
Emang.
Dulu di
Bahasa
prodi
Indonesia,
Indonesia deh.
I teach them.
Namanya apa?
Ekol, kamus ekol. Biasa
Kamus,
sama nama
kamus.
ekol.
Ekol.
Kenapa?
Ecol.
Yang ngarang namanya ekol.
Oh iya.
The blue, red, and
Oh itu
yellow.
masuk SKS ya? Masuk lah SKS gitu ya?
Iya.
Materi khusus ya?
Enggak sih.
Oh enggak?
English dia ada fonetiknya like this.
Oh.
Iya, kamus fonetik.
Ya, makanya kalau di sekolah-sekolah yang ini yang ditekannya adalah pronunciation-nya.
Iya.
Di grammar itu ya ngikutin nantinya malah justru kan dipelajarin. Nah, terus kalau misalkan masih ragu baru didengerin.
Nah,
Kalau di psikologi fonetiknya untuk anak yang speech delay.
Oke. Ya sebenarnya dalam mau pelajari bahasa
Berarti ada bahasa sendiri ya?
Enggak ada
Gimana?
pengucapan. Iya kan pronunciation kan pengucapan jadi kayak misal P gitu. Makrojul huruf.
Ya tiap kemon mungkin beda-beda nama.
Do you remember? Makrojul
Kalau nggak
huruf.
Nah, ini ya kalau
Tujuannya sama kali ya?
nah,
handsome.
jadi ketika udah terbiasa, ini nanti fokus. Jadi kita pun tahu bisa nebak. Oh ya, ini ucapnya hanya ditekan. Handsome. Nah, terus ditiru. Udah tahu seperti itu digunakan. Handsome. Gitu.
Kalau yang apa sih? Kalau yang continuous itu kan kayak walking, reading sama bisa nggak? Kayak
Apa?
walking, reading atau beda?
Bisa.
Pakai tadi kan naik intonasinya.
Walking.
Oh,
Kalau yang kayak
Walking.
kondisi itu.
well, ini tadi 2 syllable, umumnya the first syllable ya yang
Tapi
ditekan.
Emang kita nggak bisa bilang umumnya sih. Jadi emang ini aja. Jadi ada yang dua syllable tapi yang ditekan juga di belakang. Gitu.
Tapi nggak mungkin ada yang datar.
This is like
Iya.
American ya? It's
Pasti
American
ada.
English.
Pasti ada.
Kayak reading,
Pasti ada.
reading atau
Ya itu ada ininya juga.
reading.
Really?
Oh, berarti yang terakhir ya? Reading.
The point is orang English lebay.
Itu berarti penekanannya kayak tadi ya, antara di depan atau di belakang.
Tergantung suku katanya. Kalau 3 ya ada di tengah. Bisa.
Iya.
Nah ini kita masih yang ketiga.
Oh ya, oh ini intelligent.
Stressnya in the first syllable.
Apa?
Mostly 2 syllable, stress in the first syllable.
kita lebih bilang mostly sih ya. Ya emang ada dicek.
Please repeat.
It's a product.
When I was in college,
Oke.
teacher is very
Nah, ini kan awal ya. Karena nanti akan masuk ke lainnya yaitu intonasi.
Oh, ya different ya.
Different.
Si level only for the stress.
Intonasi beda lagi.
Intonasi, but sometimes Indonesia it also depend on the stress juga kan.
Oke, and then the third one, ya itu ada 3 ya.
Expense.
Nah, berarti kalau ada 3 gimana? Yeah, we have 2 options.
Expensive.
Possibilities. Ayo, yang mana nih?
Ternyata penekanannya di tengah kan kalau 3 kan.
Oh, enggak loh, kayak
juga.
gitu. Nah, jadi ya tetap harus dicek karena kan ada yang taruhlah tadi ada yang 2 suku kata tapi yang ditekannya di depan. Ada yang juga yang di belakang.
Yang dua suku kata itu ada yang di depan dan di belakang.
Iya, jadi emang harus dihafalkan sih. Ya hafalkan itu ya cara terbaiknya digunain jadi nanti ingat. Kalau kita harus menghafalkan ini ya
Use
setiap
every
kita
day.
digunakan. Use every day. Like okay, when I stress the first one, I want you to guess ya. Sebelum kita masuk ke ini ya, man. When I stress the first one, ya you will have ya, itu yang ditekan ya. Expensive. Ya, expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive. Yeah. When I stress the second syllable,
Could you open in the Cambridge so we can know the pronunciation?
yeah, later I want you to guess first.
That's terus kan
Yeah.
terus.
And-
Be patient.
No, I mean X-nya itu loh, how we say X or X.
Iya.
Kan kelihatan dari fonetiknya.
Ya nanti, pokoknya ini
Ini mau tes
ditebak
dulu, X kita kayak apa?
Okay.
Expensive, kalau saya
And then
expensive.
the second one, if you stress the second one, expensive.
Expensive.
And I will say that the second.
Yeah. Kan ada yang pertama ya,
Expensive.
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 And the second one, expensive.
Expensive.
And then when we stress the third one, expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Aja.
Expensive. Yeah. So which one is correct?
Different
It's not everyone for it.
dialect language.
Yeah, which one is correct? The first,
Second.
The second.
Yes,
Miss Jacqueline,
expensive.
the second, the first, or the third?
It's very expensive.
Sir, gimana sir?
Expensive.
Yang tuh?
Yeah, the third.
Expensive.
Expensive. Enakan sini ya.
Expensive. Number 2. I
Cambridge juga.
expensive. I usually say I love it. Expensive. You love it.
Expensive.
Nanti raba-raba pas kita gunain di
Expensive.
keseharian kita yang mana itu kan?
Oh.
Wah, ada 3 itu. Ya. Expensive.
It's very
Expensive.
It's very expensive.
Tuh.
It's the first, the second, or third. Mr. Hapa,
No, I need
the
the
first, the second, or the third?
I'm the second.
Second. I'm second.
Second.
Expensive.
The third.
Masih pakai expensive. Expensive. Berapa harokat ini? Expensive. How many harokat? Expensive.
Okay, yeah, the correct answer is the second.
Second. Expensive. Bener, very expensive.
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 Anggap aja cinta luar lagi ngomong kan. Expensive.
Ya jadi kalau kita ya sekarang kita nggak bisa ngehujat kayak gitu kayak misalkan cinta lu ngomongnya di sok-sok ini.
gitu ya.
Ya benar nggak kayak gitu.
Iya.
Emang udah naturalis.
Iya.
Makanya kalau orang luar mempelajari kata-kata dalam bahasa Indonesia, pasti dia ada yang ditekan.
Iya.
Pasti, karena dia ngikutin kebiasaan.
Gado.
Ya, gado-gado.
Kado.
Ya, kayak gitu.
Corak.
Nah, kenapa bisa gado-gado? Ini kan pertekanan. Gado.
Iya.
Jadi tekan yang di pertamanya.
Iya.
The first.
Gado.
Gado. Dan O-nya O.
Oh.
Gado.
O-U-O.
Ya, O-M-U-O. It's like gado-gado. Apa tadi ya? Apalagi tuh yang diucapin minta lower. Nah,
Gado-gado. Oh, ini nih kemarin dia.
Cikarang.
Ya, Cikarang.
Cikarang.
Cikarang. Nah, ini. Nah, terus tadi yang pertanyaan Miss Yanti, ya emang kadang ada yang mengucapkannya pakai E ya. Tapi yang sebenarnya pakai I. Nah inilah dari kita sering cross check di kamus, kita akan mengetahui mana yang dibaca E, mana yang dibaca I. Kadang dalam bahasa Inggris itu ya ada huruf-huruf tertentu yang pengucapannya beda dengan hurufnya. Kayak misalkan ini huruf E dibacanya I. Nah this one, nah I-nya yang biasa, ya terus yang ditekan yang span-nya. Jadi ik, ya ik pakai K, ik, kemudian span-nya yang ditekan, span,
Expand.
expand,
Expand.
terus shift-nya balik lagi seperti biasa, shift. Dan V-nya pakai
V.
ya,
V pakai
jadi
huruf fa.
shift, shift.
Ujung gigi cari atas ketemu dengan expensive.
Expensive.
Sorry, boom.
Expensive. Expensive.
Expensive.
Ya.
Expensive. Expensive.
Baru jodohnya di bawah bagian dalam,
Nah.
kemudian geser ke atas. Expensive.
Expensive. Oke, like that. Nah, jadi dari sini
Oh iya betul.
ada dua yang nantinya
Mati.
Nantinya mati. Pokoknya begitu. Nantinya mati.
Iya iya.
dari mempelajari ini nanti akan ada dua skill yang kita secara nggak langsung atau tanpa kita sadari nanti itu akan lebih baik. Dan kok saya bisa ini kok saya tahu artinya ya kayak gitu. Kok misalkan ada orang luar ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris atau lihat video sebagainya, kok saya lebih paham ya. Kenapa? Karena dari pengucapan. Pengucapan yang benar akan mempengaruhi. Nah, begitu pun sebaliknya. Ya, jadi kalau misalkan pengucapan setiap kata yang kita punya benar, nanti orang luar ngomong kita paham.
Nyambung.
Nah, tapi nanti ada step-stepnya lagi. Ada step-stepnya lagi. Di mana ada yang namanya very basic English. Jadi di mana kita mengucapkan Inggris itu satu. Maksudnya satu kata. Ada yang medium, taruhlah saya pakai istilah Sunda, ada yang medium, ada yang ya advance. Nah, walaupun ada kayak misalkan, kalau ngomongnya pelan-pelan saya paham, tapi kok kalau ngomongnya cepet saya nggak paham. Nah, ini ada sesuatu yang melatar belakangi, gitu. Di samping pertama adalah habit mereka dalam ngomongnya cepat, dan yang kedua mereka itu suka nyambungin suara. Jadi dua kata terdengar seperti satu kata, dan itu seperti kata beda, kata baru. Jadi kalau kita nggak kuat di pengucapan setiap huruf, setiap katanya, nanti akan dikira bahwa itu kata baru, padahal enggak. Gitu. Nah, nanti ada step di situ. Nah, sekarang yang terakhir, oke. Nah, ada 4 ya. Intelligent. Wah, ada 4 nih.
Apa sih? Intelligent.
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 Nah, yang benar yang mana?
Intelligent. I used to say intelligent.
Ya.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Stresnya itu ya.
Nah.
Stress to the third.
Nah, ya emang yang benar yang itu.
Iya.
Jadi kalau udah terbiasa, kita akan ucapinnya seperti itu.
Iya, benar.
Dan ketika saya bilang, nah sekarang tinggal dianalisa. Ketika saya bilang intelligent, yang keberapa yang ditekan?
3.
Ayo coba. Intelligent.
2. Second. 1, 2. Intelligent.
Yeah.
Dua kan
Listen again.
naik. Kalau udah naik intelligent.
Listen again.
3.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligent. Yang mana ini?
3. Yang naik 3.
Jennya.
Kalau ditekannya yang intelligent.
Ya ditekan
3.
innya.
Tapi kalau naiknya yang 3.
Kita ditekan pasti naik.
Intelligent.
In.
3 kalau.
Intel Indomie telur.
In.
No.
Okay,
The second.
Yeah.
The second. Intel.
You feel it, yeah.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligent. Okay. The second.
Intelligent.
Second.
Ya. Intelligent.
Second syllable.
Oke. Nah, nanti akan kita gabungin.
Bisa bilingual or bilingual? Bilingual.
Bilingual.
I used to say
Bilingual.
I used to say bilingual, but the other say bilingual. Bilingual. Because it
Yeah,
is I,
bilingual.
not bilingual. Syllable is one.
Okay, this one. Yeah, for intelligent. The second, right?
Intelligent. The second.
Ya, ini yang keduanya.
Iya.
Tell-nya.
Iya, intelligent.
Tell-nya yang di ada
Dia
tanda
turun ya.
petiknya.
Dia turun.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Nah, terus kenapa tadi saya bilang
Show intelligence.
kalau pengen fokus ke mempelajari dua aksen tadi, ya jangan gunakan Google Translate.
Yes.
Gunakan Google Translate hanya untuk menerjemahkan. Ya karena kan dalam kamus Cambridge ini kan semuanya berbahasa Inggris. Nah kalau kita mempelajari bahasa Inggris tapi nggak tahu bahasa Indonesia, kadang butuh waktu juga kan. Makanya menerjemahkannya is okay. Tapi kalau yang ini ada dua keuntungan, pengucapannya pasti ya berdasarkan dua aksen tadi. Dan ada simbolnya yang kita bisa bilang yang udah dipakai lah di perguruan-perguruan tinggi.
Apostrophe.
Ya, apostrophe.
Intelligent.
So?
Intelligent. Intelligent.
Yeah.
Intelligent. Intelligent.
Nah, terus nanti kan ada sini. Tadi kan yang huruf E kebalik udah dibaca E ya. Nah, terus ada lagi nih huruf D
3.
sama kayak angka 3.
Iya.
Ya kan? Nah, ini merepresentasikan suara J. Nah, mungkin ingat ketika ada Jogja. Jogja itu kan ejaannya
Iya, iya.
D sama J.
DJ.
Ya, DJ. Nah, dibacanya J kan? Kayak jarum. Nah, sebenarnya ejaan Indonesia mungkin juga ngambil dari yang lain-lain gitu kan. Di mana D sama J dibacanya J.
Apa namanya itu bulan? Sapa.
Sapan. Ya, sapan. Nah, ini kita udah masuk ke yang pertama, di mana kita harus memperbaiki setiap pengucapan kata yang kita punya. Ya nggak apa-apa kalau misalkan kata itu udah kita tahu, tapi kita pengen cross-check lagi nggak apa-apa, sedikit-sedikit. Ya, and I did it. Saya lakuin ya kalau dulu pas dari kuliah gitu ya. Ketika ada kata baru, nah baru kalau pelajaran ini nih pronunciation gitu kan, ya harus pakai apa ya didengerin lagi. Nah, jadi bisa di cross check.
Zaman saya belum ada HP.
Ya benar.
Iya.
Kita
Belum ada HP.
pakai.
Makanya sekarang itu lebih mudah gitu kan.
Makanya
Tergantung kita ya.
kalau yang sekarang tidak memanfaatkan dengan baik.
Sayang banget.
Sayang ya.
Makanya anak-anak sekarang itu
Game kalau
main game tapi bahasa itu bagus karena mereka mendengarkan.
dari gamenya.
Dari game. Nah sekarang yang kedua adalah kita menggabungkan ya kata-kata tersebut dalam ya ekspresi-ekspresi atau ungkapan-ungkapan keseharian yang kita punya. Kayak misalkan mau bilang, oh ini mahal banget gitu kan.
It's so expensive.
Yeah,
It's so
it's so
expensive.
It's very expensive.
Nah expensive-nya tetap yang kayak tadi ya.
Expensive.
Ya bisa pakai so, bisa pakai very so. It's so expensive. Oh, it's so expensive. Nah jadi secara nggak langsung kita menggunakan oh it's so expensive, expensive. Oh kamu pintar banget ya. Oh you're intelligent.
You're so intelligent.
Ya gitu. You're intelligent.
Intelligent. And so beautiful.
Nah beautiful. Jadi dibawa ke. Ya.
Ya, time.
Times. Oh meetingnya.
I mean, time out.
I'm handsome.
Time out.
Ya.
Intelligent.
Intelligent ya. Jadi nanti kebayang-bayang. Ya. Ya misalkan cantik, beautiful.
Ya, saya pun.
Beautiful.
I'm
Juga
beautiful.
finish it. Ya, time. 40 minutes kan?
40
Yang
minutes.
free-nya.
Coba ini bisa dimulai lagi juga gabung lagi link yang sama bisa nggak?
Apa yang sama?
Linknya sama.
Kalau Jimmy
Jimmy bisa.
timer nih. Intelligent.
Ya.
Nih,
Ya.
apa si ini? Kita coba lihat. Kemarin tuh ada tuh si Cinta Loto dia bikin konten kan tentang penyebutan sama si ini.
Taruh, mungkin remote deh. Tunggu sini deh. Tuh kan suara saya kedengeran.
Pizza. Kan? Hamburger. Cinta loro. Soda, ya kan? Reward, brown reward. Freeze.
Nah, sekarang nggak langsung. Kita akan lihat tuh aksen mereka. Sebenarnya ini natural ya, kayak let's say you have a friend and your friend is from Sudanese. Ya, kayak misalkan punya temannya orang Sunda atau orang Jawa gitu kan. Kita beda dengan mereka. Nah, secara nggak langsung kita kadang ngikutin. Ya, kumaha ada, Bang.